Jesus Loves Me in Ugandan, because it was the Ugandan children that were singing in the choir.
Yeah.
And this little girl, so he said, you come up here. So she came up and she was about 4, and she was really shy and everything, sort of like this, scared to go up on the stage. But she went up and he got down on his knees and he said, can you say, Jesus loves me in Ugandan? And she said, Jesus loves me in Ugandan. And the whole place cracked up and we laughed so loud that she was actually scared.
Grandma, say what's Gucci again.
What's Gucci? I
Do you
don't
really
get
know
it.
what Gucci is?
No?
It means like what's good. Like what's that?
Oh.
Now wait. Throw up. Throw up. Wait. Gang sign. What? Do you know a gang sign?
I gotta go.
No.
You're supposed to be up too late because you're gonna. Emily's supposed to be home at 10.
Love you,
according to
Grandma.
Your dad.
Love you.
Because he's leaving and he wants to see you. Okay? So,
Yeah.
I don't know. What time does that mean you want
Wait,
to get up?
say it one more time.
What's Gucci? Because I'm probably going to be up by 8 or 8:30 anyway.
Can you wake me up then?
Yeah.
Because I have to pack still.
Yeah.
I didn't do it tonight, so I'll do it in the morning. Love you.